In this lesson, we will learn how to solve equations involving powers. In particular, we'll solve equations where the variables are in the exponents, as they are here. Notice that here we have base 11 on both sides of our equation. Well, we happen to have a nice rule that says if b to the power of x equals b to the power of y, then the exponents x and y must be equal. So if 11 to the power of 4x plus 3 equals 11 to the power of 3x minus 2, it must be true that the two exponents here are equal. From here we can solve this relatively easy equation to see that x equals negative 5. Now let's try another one. In this particular equation, we have a base of 5 on the left-hand side, and we have a base of 25 on the right-hand side. Now, if we want to apply our rule here, we must have the same base on both sides of the equation. To fix this, let's take our 25 here and rewrite it as 5 squared. Now let's simplify the right-hand side. Since we have a power of a power here, we can apply the power of a power rule to see that the right-hand side simplifies as follows. We can now expand the exponent on the right-hand side. And now that our bases are equal, we can apply our rule here to see that the exponents must be equal. To solve this equation for x, we'll first subtract 2x from both sides, then subtract 2 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals negative 5 halves. Okay, let's try one more equation. Here the two bases in the equation are not equal. Now, since we cannot write 9 as a power of 27, and we cannot write 27 as a power of 9, we need to write both bases so that they have the same base. To do this, we can express both bases as powers of 3. First, we'll take the 9 here and rewrite it as 3 squared, and next we'll take the 27 and rewrite it as 3 cubed. On both sides we have powers of powers, so we can apply the power of a power rule to get the following results. From here we can expand the exponents on both sides, and since the bases are now equal, we can apply our rule that says the exponents must now be equal. To solve this for x, we'll subtract 3x from both sides, and then subtract 2 from both sides to get the solution x equals negative 11. Okay, let's summarize. In this lesson, we learned how to solve equations with variables in the exponents. First, we rewrite the equation so that both sides have equal bases. Then we apply the following rule that says the exponents must be equal. And finally, we solve the resulting equation.